This recipe starts with 2 level tablespoons of coconut flour. Next is a level half tablespoon of flaxseed meal. This is followed by a level half tablespoon of metamucil. Now comes a quarter teaspoon of xanthan gum. Followed by a quarter teaspoon of baking powder. The last dry ingredient is a quarter teaspoon of dry yeast. There is only one wet ingredient, namely 90 grams of egg whites. I am now putting the dry ingredients into the wet ingredient and thoroughly mixing. The mug is now put in the microwave for approximately 3.5 minutes on the high setting. And there you have it, the mug bread bun is ready. This bread is quite chewy and closely resembles the mouthfeel of a bagel.